Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. It's time to hold the bull by the horns. It's time to go straight to the point and say it. It's time to hit the nail on the coffin. It's time to hit the nail on the head. I'm gonna say it the way I saw it. I'm gonna say it the way I was told. I'm gonna say it the way it was delivered to me. I'm gonna say it the way I saw it written on the comments on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, every social media platform. I'm gonna say it right now. Wokuyu. Right. I saw something in Bulawayo. I saw something surprising. I saw something shocking in Bulawayo. I was very surprised. It was so painful to behold, painful to see what I saw in Bulawayo in January, in February, this year, this particular year, when I was there for my work, for my business operations. I was very surprised. I was so flabbergasted. It was so hating to see. It was first time in my life to see that thing. It was first time ever in my life to see that thing. I've never seen it before anywhere since I was born to this planet Earth by my mother. I've never seen that thing in my life. I was very surprised. I was very shocked. So flabbergasted. Okay, this is the thing right now. I saw grocery items, groceries being sold on the streets. Grocery items, groceries being sold on the streets. What? What? Grocery items, grocery things, grocery substances, groceries being sold, distributed, marketed on the streets in Bulawayo. The main street, Bulawayo CBD, main street, next to Spar supermarket. You see a whole section of groceries being sold on the streets. Sugar, flour, rice, cooking oil, salt, spaghetti, macaroni, all these things on the street in Bulawayo. What? What are you telling me? What are you saying to me? I'm like, is this the welcome to Bulawayo that I have to see? Is this the welcome to Bulawayo that I have to see? What's happening here? I was very surprised. Grocery items, groceries on the streets, distributed and sold on the streets every day. Every day. When I was going to Spar to do my shopping, or to pass by that section, going to Spar to do my shopping every day of my life when I was there. First time in my life to see that thing. People in Bulawayo, talk to me. What's happening? Is it because of the economy? Is it because of poverty? Is it because of survival? Why grocery items on the streets? Yeah. Talk to me, talk to me. Yo, talk to me. Why on the streets? What about opening maybe a tuck shop, a kiosk? What happened to Spar? What happened to OK? What happened to TM? TM Zimbabwe, OK Zimbabwe. What happened to Choppy Zimbabwe? These standard supermarkets, what happened to them? What happened to them? Why on the streets? All these basic things on the streets. It was my first time to see that in Bulawayo. Groceries on the streets. Like maybe people are selling tomatoes, like maybe people are selling potatoes, tomatoes, selling onions, or selling maize, or selling sweet potatoes on the streets. Sugar on the street, salt on the street, cooking oil on the street, spaghetti macaron on the street, rice on the street, mayonnaise on the street, Yo, yo, yo. I was very surprised. I was very shocked. When I think about it right now, I feel emotional. I feel sad. What's happened to the economy of Bulawayo? What's happened to the economy of Bulawayo? What's happening? What's happening to the retail and the wholesale system in Bulawayo? What's happening? What's the problem? What's the cause? Is it poverty? Is it the need for survival? Is it because there are no jobs in Bulawayo or jobs in the country in general? I was very surprised. And I said to myself, I'm going to do a video. And then this is the video which I'm doing right now to tell you my experience, what my eyes told me when I was in Bulawayo for 21 days, 3 weeks in Bulawayo. Every day I would buy my things in Spar supermarket and I would pass using the main street and I would pass on that whole section in the main street, Bulawayo, and see all these grocery items being sold, distributed, marketed, advertised every day, even on a Sunday. I'm like, what? I'm like, yeah, people are serious here. People are doing business here. People are serious with the life, buying and selling. People are serious here. This is the real spirit of entrepreneurship. This is the real spirit of business in Bulawayo. But this is my point. Why? Because we are not used to see that site in Zimbabwe. We are not used. It's just uncommon, unordinary to sell grocery items in a street. What happened to OK Zimbabwe? What happened to TM Zimbabwe? What happened to Choppies Zimbabwe? What happened to Spar? The normal thing which we know in this country, even in any other country, when you want groceries, you go to a standard supermarket, and you buy from that supermarket. You go to Spar, you go to TM, you go to OK, you go to Choppies and buy from that supermarket, not to buy from the street. No, 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 no. Never. Not to buy from the street. You go to a supermarket. Or if you stay in the rural areas, you go to buy from a tuck shop. You buy from a tuck shop. If you stay in a ghetto, in a location, in the rural areas, you buy from a tuck shop, a good tuck shop. Not from the street, not from the road. Not from the jungle. No. Grocery items for feeding yourself, feeding your family. The food which you put in your stomach, in your body, and you're buying from the road, you're buying from the street. I don't know and I don't understand. But this is my experience. And I do think even right now, as I'm talking to you, they're still selling on that street, Main Street in Bulawayo CBD. They're still selling there. I do think so. Right now, as I'm talking to you. What about our supermarkets in Zimbabwe? TM Zimbabwe, OK Zimbabwe, Choppies, Spar. What happened to our supermarkets? You go there and buy from there. Why take all these things and you put them in the street and you're selling? Is it lack of jobs? Is it a poor economy or stupid economy? Is it because of the need for survival? Or the spirit to make money? I don't know. I don't understand. But this is what I saw in Bulawayo, CBD, when I was there in January and February 2025 this year. This is my experience. What do you say about it? What the reason for doing that? What the basic idea behind doing that? Tell me. You can school me. You can educate me. Put me in the know. Put me in the knowledge about that thing. Put me in the know. Put me in the knowledge. Why doing that thing on the street? That things, products, goods, we are supposed to be sold in the standard supermarkets. And they're selling on the streets, on the road. School me, educate me. Why? Tell me in the comment section. I'm done talking. I'm signing out. Sharp.